very happy to be here. This is a great convention. It's all about children's education. Doesn't get any better than that.
Workshop is incredible because it brings together so many people on every facet of education.
Workshop is awesome because we get to talk to the teachers to find out, and the educators, what they want in the schools and how we can support them in their goals and their student outcomes.
The workshop is really important to us because it gives us the opportunity to see all of our school board members and have the chance to sit and communicate and speak to them and tell them how important they are to us.
Workshop's a great opportunity for us on an annual basis. All our clients come down here, so it gives us a chance to interact with them.
Our company's been benefiting from this event every single year because if you want to get out to school districts, this is the event that you want to be a part of.
Year after year, workshop is important because we get the benefit of seeing our existing clients, talking to them about things that are going well.
It's a fantastic opportunity to connect with educators from across the state with whom we've worked with over many, many years, and a great opportunity to meet new faces and to hear about what's happening in the cutting edge of schools.
And we're able to display some of our products really, really well and showcase them.
It's a great opportunity for us to see people that maybe we only see a couple times a year, and it's always a huge success for us.
We love our school boards because these are our customers.
We come and exhibit every year. It's one of the main reasons why we've been successful in this market.
We love coming to workshops. Workshops are a great opportunity for our clients to come and see us.
Our partnership with NJSBA is fantastic. We've really enjoyed Workshop.
This is the event that you want to be at.